We stand on this ground so wide, under one sky where dreams collide. Hands reaching out across the seas, one world bound in harmony. Colors blend like rivers flow, differences make our beauty glow. From every corner voices rise, a symphony that never dies. One heartbeat, together we shine, breaking the walls with love divine. Peace and love in every embrace, a universal light we all can chase. Mountains high and valleys low, the path of love is all we know. No borders here, no lines to draw. We build a bridge with hearts in awe. Oh, the stars, they guide our way through the night into the day. Together stronger we will be, a force of love eternally. One heartbeat, together we shine, breaking the walls with love divine. Peace and love in every embrace, a universal light we all can chase. Echoes whisper through the trees at night, tales of ancestors in the pale moonlight. They carve their stories in the earth so deep, a legacy of dreams we vowed to keep. Hold the rules and spread your wings, carry forward what the old song sings. Every heartbeat tells a tale so true, cultural threads weaving me and you. In the soil lies the wisdom of the past, a heritage built to forever. Hold the roots and spread your wings. Carry forward what the old song sings. Every heartbeat tells a tale so true. Cultural threads weaving me and you. Sun, where the earth does hum, a sacred leaf, where life begun. It whispers truth, it calms the storm, a healer's touch, so pure and warm. Ganja grows where the spirit flies, roots so deep they touch the skies. Medicine flows in its gentle breeze, a gift of life from sacred trees. It speaks in green, a quiet song, guides the weary where they belong. Through ancient hands, its wisdom passed, a timeless bond built to last. Ganja grows where the spirit flies, roots so deep they touch the skies. Medicine flows in its gentle breeze, a gift of life from sacred trees. From sacred trees. Breathe it in, let it heal your soul, a natural way to make you whole. Through every leaf, a story's told, a sacred plant worth more than gold. Ganja grows where the spirit flies, roots so deep they touch the skies. Medicine flows in its gentle breeze, a gift of life from sacred trees. From sacred trees. side where rivers bend, a sacred bond that will not end. Shadows dance and fires light, stories told in endless night, hands that build with love and pain, left their mark like ancient rain. The winds carry their mighty song through the hills where we belong. Hearts are tethered to their might, they give us strength to face the fight. We walk with wisdom carved in stone, through their blood our path is shown. Their voices guide where rivers bend, a sacred bond that will not end. Golden skies and earth's embrace, each step is blessed by their grace. We are threads in their great weave, legacies we dare believe. They walk the streets with heavy chains, their voices echoed through the pain. The weight of silence burns like fire, but hope still climbs, it won't expire. Rise up, the time is near. The truth is louder than the fear. We break the walls, we lift the sky. Together strong, we'll never die. A thousand hands will light the way through shadows dark and skies of gray. The power's ours, we take the stand. The earth will tremble where we land. Rise up, the time is near. The truth is louder than the fear. We break They'll never shatter our deep trust. The battle's long, but hearts won't break. Each step we take for justice' sake. Rise up, the time is near. The truth is louder than the fear. We break the walls, we lift the sky. Together strong, we'll never die. Tried to bury us in shadows so deep. Our voices muffled as they lulled us to sleep. But through the cracks we rise and we bloom. A force of truth piercing the gloom. We are the fire that won't burn out. Of truth will rise and sing, breaking chains to spread its wings. They thought their silence could swallow our fight, but we turned whispers into a blazing light. From the corners they thought they'd erase, we are the echoes they can't replace. We are the fire that won't burn out. A roaring wave when they scream and shout. The voice of truth will rise and sing, breaking chains to spread its wings. Every scar a story etched in our skin. Every tear a river that flows from within. We are the chorus that won't be denied. A storm of justice that will not subside. We are the fire that won't burn out. A roaring wave when they scream and shout. The voice of truth will rise and sing, breaking chains to spread its wings. separate story to be told. The world is brighter when I give. A life of love is mine to live. Inner peace, a light that shines. A love that grows through endless time. A heart that whispers life's a gift. With every breath my soul will live. I let the fear just drift away, replaced with joy in every day. The present moment here to stay. A sacred song I softly play. Inner peace, a light that shines. A love that grows through endless times. A heart that whispers life's a gift. With every breath my soul will live. Morning sun whispers soft on my face. A quiet moment in this hurried race. I find myself in the stillness of time. A hidden strength, a rhythm, a rhyme. In the ear of the right, I see 1,000 truths staring back at me. Reflection bends but never breaks. In silence I heal, in stillness I wait. A storm may rage, but I stand tall. Through winds that howl and shadows that crawl. Meditation wraps me like a warm embrace. A shield of calm in the chaos I face. In the mirror of my mind I see 1,000 truths staring back at me. Reflection bends but never breaks. In silence I heal, in stillness I wait. Every breath a thread to mend. Every thought a path to send. My struggles fade, they're part of me. spark ignites in the quiet night. Truth erupts like a blinding light. No chains can hold this burning shout. The fire's here to call them out. Stand tall and scream it loud. No more whispers in the crowd. The truth's a storm that breaks the sky. Let it roar, don't ask why. The tidal wave crashes through the haze, shattering lies in a fiery blaze. The shadows tremble, they cannot last. Truth's a bullet moving fast. Stand tall and scream it loud. No more whispers in the crowd. The truth's a storm that breaks the sky. Let it roar, don't ask why. Feel the ground quake beneath your feet. This truth won't break, it can't retreat. The fire spreads, it won't back down, burning through this broken town. Stand tall and scream it loud. No more whispers in the crowd. The truth's a storm that breaks the sky. Let it roar, don't ask why. I hear the drums call in the distant night. Echoes of a land where the stars burn bright. A soil that cradles stories untold. Africa's whispers, a bond to hold. Roots run deep where the rivers flow. The sacred place where the spirits know. Through the sands of time, our ties remain. Ancestral love, it calls my name. Footprints left on a sun-kissed shore. Memories etched, they forever soar. A tapestry woven with golden hands. Africa's heart beats through these lands. The wind carries songs of ancient kings. Voices rise as the village sings. Bound by the past, yet future bound. In Africa's arms, we're always found. Roots run deep where the rivers flow. A sacred place where the spirits know. dawn awakes, savannah whispers and the jungle shakes. Every tree and stone a sacred guide, Africa's soul where we all reside.
Taught me to kneel, to lower my gaze, but my spirit rebelled, it set ablaze. The chains were words, sharp and sly, yet my mind soared, it kissed the sky. Unchained will never bow. We break the scripts they wrote. Somehow their flags can't hold what's born to be free. The truth lives in you, it lives in me. They painted my history with stolen hues, taught me to love their lies as truths, but roots run deep, they cannot hide the strength that blooms from what's inside. Whispers of ancestors guide my feet, in every pulse, in every beat. The walls they built are crumbling down. We wear resistance like a crown. Unchained minds will never bow. We break the scripts they wrote. Their flags can't hold what's born to be free. The truth lives in you, it lives in me. The stars don't ask permission to shine. The rivers don't question if they're divine. And so we rise with hearts unbound, breaking the silence, finding our sound.
it flow, let it flow. Jah is here. Now we know, now we know. Jah guide me through the night, hold me steady in the fight. Every shadow fades away. Jah is with me every day. Jah Jah lead. Whoa, whoa. Through the fire, through the glow, through the glow. Feel the love, let it flow, let it flow. Jah is here. Now we know, now we know. I walk a path where the sun always shines. With love in my heart and peace in my mind. Roots grow deep where the truth is sown. In the garden of courage, where strength is shown. Living life with courage, bold and free. Faith like the mountains, rising from the sea. Guided by the light of a higher mission. Standing tall with Rastafari conviction. The winds may howl, but I never will sway. Grounded in the truth, come what may. Every step forward a blessing in disguise. With fire in my soul, stars in my eyes. Living life with courage, bold and free. Faith like the mountains, rising from the sea. Guided by the light of a higher mission. Standing tall, Rastafari conviction. Through the storms and the thunder's roar, I find my peace on the lion's shore. The chains of fear break under the sun. A warrior's heart till the battle is won. The road is long, but my spirit